In this section, we're going to be setting some clear goals. And before we get into that, Louise, I think it's really important that we discuss the distinction between intentions and goals. I know we've talked a little bit about it before, but it's an area that I think a lot of people kind of get confused about. So everyone's in their happy place. They've been looking at their intentions. What's the difference between these intentions that we've been talking about and our goals?
This is a very common question that comes up a lot with my clients. You know, what is the real difference? Why do we have intentions? Why do we have goals? What is the real difference between an intention and a goal? Is a goal is actually a concrete milestone. It tells you your progress. It marks where you are moving towards that intention. So it is a concrete milestone, whereas the intention is the energy behind that goal. You don't see the intention. It's the energetic vibration, the power that keeps you focused on why you want to be where you want to be. So an intention could be, I live my life in radiant health. I'm filled with boundless energy and vitality, and I enjoy life to the fullest. So that could be your intention. So what could be the goal, one of your goals behind that intention? It could be that you wanted to reach a specific weight. You wanted to be a size 12, or you wanted to lose 10 kilos. It could be that you wanted to run a mile in under 6.5 minutes. It could be that you wanted to enter a marathon. So these are all concrete goals behind your intention. So basically, a goal is going to measure your progress.
So is it safe to say that we could be talking about milestones?
Yes, exactly. That's what goals are. Goals are milestones. You know, they mark our progress towards our intention, towards that success. And they make us feel good. We can tick those goals off. You know, it's wonderful to achieve goals. So we can have small goals and we can have audacious goals. So there's many different goals we can have to mark how we're doing.
So we can call them milestones as well as goals. And I really like what you said about you can have big goals and you can have little goals. And I can remember times in my life when my self-esteem was not very high and my confidence was really low. And what I did was I chose small goals that I knew I could accomplish. So I couldn't curl or lift 100 pounds, but I could do 20 pounds or I could do 10 pounds. So I would start and just do that. And then it was just like, okay, I've achieved that goal. Now I'm going to achieve a harder goal and a more audacious goal, and just built up that goal achieving muscle. And so I really like that idea of setting the intention, which is, this is the feeling that I want. This is the direction that I want to go. And now here are some milestones and here are some goals I can set that will take me to the completion of my intention.
Yeah, great one there, Scott. Yeah, I really resonate with that myself.